Hey loves, hey, this is Catherine Gage, also Casey Beauty Within, your midwife, dreamers, and catalyst of change, and welcome to Mama's Kitchen. I am going to be doing some Smokies this evening. God gave me that name about 4 years ago, and he just gave me a name called Mama's Kitchen. I didn't know what that was all about, but today I decided to do some videos on just cooking, and the Lord brought it back to me, Mama's Kitchen. So welcome to Mama's Kitchen. Today we're gonna have make some smokies. So what you're gonna need is you're gonna need some bacon. You're gonna need just some smokies, which are, I got Hillshire, but any brand would do. You're also going to need some brown sugar. You're going to need some brown sugar, some butter, and that's all you're going to need. And you're going to need some toothpicks to roll up the smokies. You don't have to have toothpicks, but it does help it keep together. So the first thing we're going to do is that we're going to get us some bacon and cut them in 3/3. This is my vlogging life for cooking, so you may hear somebody in the background, you may hear my kids, you may hear my mom making her noises, or you may hear her with her phone blasting. You may hear my husband and the TV with the football going, because this is just life at the crib. And today we're in Mama's Kitchen, which is mine. Wow, isn't it something how God give you something and you do not see what it means until it actually happens? Well, I just had that moment. Done. My daughter has taken it out the oven, and that is the finished product of the peach cobbler. It is going to be yummy. I'm gonna go ahead and open this up so I can just have them. Okay. So then you're just gonna take them and roll them.
All for just $1 each. The $1 double stack tacos on the Cravings Value menu. Value that never ceases to amaze. The Verbo Citrus Bowl on ABC.
know if this is something that you would like to see from Mama's Kitchen, and I will do this. This will be part of my blogging Mama's Kitchen blog. It's just something that got created today. God is always doing something new, and so we're doing Mama's Kitchen this new year, first day of the new year. We got a few more Smokies to try to get in here. I'm just gonna do a one package. If you have more people to feed, then you can do as many as you can roll up and have enough bacon for. And I'm just trying to get those all squeezed in there. I got 6 more to go. 6 or 7 more to go.
Harbaugh's love for khakis and Judge Judy going shirtless at a camp in Alabama. Nick Saban calling out reporters.
We're on our last few. We're gonna make the mixture now. We got 2 more to wrap. It's all wrapped. We're gonna make our mixture, brown sugar mixture, butter mixture. So what you want to do is, I got salted sweet butter. Cut the butter in half. Make sure you keep your knives separated. I almost picked the wrong one, but you don't want to do that. Then you're gonna take brown sugar. And you're gonna put your brown sugar on the butter. Okay, this is going to have to go be put in the microwave for about a minute. So we're going to go get that melted. My assistant is going to go melt it for about a minute. Then we're going to take another, going to get just another bowl. We're going to take another bowl of brown sugar. That is in the microwave. While it's melting, I'm gonna get me a drink. 7-Up. I love it. Have you all tried the cranberry 7-Up? I do not like it very much. It has, I know it's cranberry, but it tastes to me like it has some cinnamon in it. It kind of burns my tongue, my palate. So I think I'm just going to stick with 7-Up. Stirring the mixture up. Has a little bit of the butter didn't melt, so what I'm doing is just stirring it up with letting it get with that hot, and it'll go ahead and it'll melt all the way. Okay, so now we're just going to take this mixture and put it all over the Smokies. So you just make sure each one gets some. So just kind of going to go all over, and then we'll come back, just trying to make sure that every Smoky gets some of this nice goodness.
But it's still important to be prepared for what's next. At Fidelity, we can help you build a clear plan for retirement without the unnecessary.
Just want to make sure that every one of them get covered. So just kind of going over all of them.
Because when you have a retirement partner who gives you clarity at every step, there's nothing to stop you from.
Just trying to make sure I only got some Smokies on. Okay, then you notice that I got a second bowl. I had got a second bowl of brown sugar. We're just going to take that and we're going to shake that on all of them. If it comes out in the clump, don't worry, just spread it. Spread it around. Trying to make sure that just in case one didn't get it, that everybody gets some goodness. So just shaking this all over. Just take your spoon and kind of spread it all. If you notice that one didn't get it, just take your spoon and just spread it.
I'm 5'9". I have a body like Christy Brinkley. Do you believe that?
Like Judge Judy.
Oh, Judge Judy. I do not like Judge Judy.
You stole a little money. You wanted a big red truck. Shiny, shiny, shiny red truck.
I'm just taking my brown sugar and just making sure that everybody got coated. Some got coated just a little bit more than others, so I'm just taking just a little bit of pieces of it and just sprinkling it over. Just making sure that everybody got some love. No Smoky left behind. All the Smokies are going to get some love, so we're just adding a little bit of love to them. Now we're going to put this in the oven for 350. Let this bake for about 35 minutes or so, 35 minutes, and then we'll let it bake a little bit more to get it crispy, and we'll show you the finished product in just a few moments. Okay? We'll be back. Okay, we just got the Smokies out the oven. That's the finished results. This is the peach cobbler that we made. Cornbread my husband made. And we also had black-eyed peas. So, there you have it. This is Kathleen Gage, also KG Beauty Within, your midwife dreamer and catalyst of change, and thank you for coming to Mama's Kitchen. We'll have more episodes. Alright, bye-bye.